Hello. Today I'd like to go over a brief selection with you and analyze textual evidence. It is entitled From My Shadow by Robert Louis Stevenson. It reads as follows. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay, I would like for you to give me evidence that Stevenson is talking about his shadow. Take a few moments, pause the video, and find different textual evidence within this short poem to let you know and let me know that he is discussing his shadow. Okay, you could use very, very like me. Okay, jumps before me, and when I jump into bed. Those are different things that would let you know that he is discussing his shadow. Okay, thank you. If you have additional questions about identifying textual evidence, please consult your teacher. Thank you. Bye.